What if the real reason many affiliate businesses fail is not strategy, traffic, or technology, but a missing vision? Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets, folks. This is the podcast designed to help digital and at-home entrepreneurs build income with clarity, confidence, and purpose. And today, we're talking about building a vision for your affiliate business and setting goals that are not only profitable, but purpose-driven. Now, before we go any further, if you're finding value in these podcasts, take a moment to subscribe. It helps this channel grow and ensures you don't miss future practical guidance. And thank you for doing so. Now, these podcasts are coming to you from our hub at Fontanie Magazine eLearning channel. The hub brings together in one place, speaking from the heart, a Christian and universal values-based podcast, coaching talks, a leadership forum for the traditional workplace, and affiliate marketing secrets, one designed for affiliate marketing. The times and the dates are listed below, and I hope you can join me on the podcast that interests you the most. Now let's move to our topic for today, from side hustle to vision, creating a purpose-led affiliate business. Many people enter affiliate marketing focused solely on tactics. They ask which platform works best, which product converts, or which funnel makes money the fastest. These questions matter, but without vision, even good tactics lead to burnout. Vision, though, gives direction, and purpose gives staying power. Vision in affiliate marketing is not about unrealistic income promises. It's about deciding what kind of business you are building and why it matters to you. When vision is clear, decisions become easier, and distractions lose their power. Self-limiting beliefs often shrink vision. New entrepreneurs tell themselves, "This is just a side thing," or I'm not a real business owner. Well, these beliefs influence effort, consistency, and confidence. A clear vision challenges those assumptions and invites commitment. A purpose-driven vision answers 3 questions for the home-based business owner. Who am I serving? What problem can I help resolve? And what kind of life do I want this business to support? Now, without answering these questions, goals feel empty and motivation fades quickly. Now let's consider 7 strategies that will help you as you develop your approach to affiliate marketing. The first strategy is to define your personal why. Income is important, but purpose goes deeper. Maybe your why is flexibility, time with your family, financial peace, or creative freedom. Write it down. Vision starts with clarity, and when we write things down, clarity begins to emerge. Now, your why doesn't need to be long. A short sentence is all you need. But you do need to write it down and keep it in front of you at all times. Why? Because when you're under stress or under pressure, you can look up and know why you are doing what it is that you are doing. It will invigorate you. Now, while you are at it, write down your values. Your values will sustain you as you move forward. They are the anchors for your life and your business. Now, stay to the end of this podcast, and I'll give you some clues on how to prepare your vision, and your values. The second strategy is to choose alignment over hype. Pardon me. Not every trending product has value for your audience. Purpose-driven affiliates promote solutions they believe in. Alignment with purpose and values builds trust, and trust builds long-term income. The third strategy is to set realistic staged goals. Now, instead of jumping straight to income milestones, make sure you focus on skill development, content consistency, and audience connection. Sustainable growth is built in layers and not leaps. The fourth strategy is to design your business around your life and not away from it. At-home entrepreneurs often recreate burnout by copying models that ignore personal boundaries. Vision includes how you work and how you earn money. And this requires a bit of an explanation. You need to look after yourself in order to look after others. So incorporate a value of self-compassion. Take time out to rejuvenate and meditate and recreate. Do this, and you will have energy to deal with all your daily activities. The fifth strategy is to commit to consistency over intensity. Now, purpose-driven businesses grow through small, repeated actions. Posting once a week consistently beats sporadic bursts of effort fueled by pressure. So, develop clear objectives for projects you undertake, as well as the action steps to carry them out. Now, the sixth strategy is to build confidence through contribution. Teaching what you're learning builds authority faster than waiting to feel like an expert. Vision expands when you focus on helping rather than proving. You don't need to wait for perfection or complete mastery over a subject. We can learn through teaching others. And by teaching others, we need to learn about what we are teaching. And that solidifies our understanding and builds confidence. The seventh strategy is to review and refine your vision regularly. Now, as skills grow, visions evolve. Reflection keeps your business aligned with your values and prevents drifting into resentment or obligation. Now, these strategies are vital for the at-home entrepreneur. If you're not clear on how to proceed, please reach out to me. Our system called Bizwale is an excellent coaching process to help you with these strategies. And that link is also below. Now let's consider a couple of real-life examples. There was an at-home parent started affiliate marketing, hoping to make some quick money. Without vision, she jumped from one platform to another platform. After clarifying her why around helping beginners simplify technology, she focused her content with greater consistency. Income followed that consistency and that why. Another at-home entrepreneur built traffic but felt disconnected from his business. His vision focused only on numbers. And when he reframed his goals around impact and relationships and service, motivation returned and engagement increased. You see, purpose-driven goals also protect beginners from comparison. For example, if you are using social media, be aware that it highlights results, but doesn't necessarily give context. And consequently, you may find yourself comparing yourself to others rather than focusing on your own vision. And vision reminds you that your path is unique. And progress measured against purpose is healthier than comparing yourself with others. And when we do that, our ego gets inflated. Vision influences how you meet setbacks. With vision, our setbacks become part of the process. Every successful affiliate has faced slow growth, low engagement, and doubt. So you're not alone in this effort, even though you may feel lonely. Hence, you need to literally look up and view your vision. It will guide you during those times when you feel out of sorts. So what's the next practical steps for you? Well, 1, write a simple vision statement for your affiliate business. 1 or 2 sentences is enough. Include who you serve, what you offer, and why it matters to you. 2nd, clarify your values and why they are important to you. 3rd, choose one short-term goal aligned with your vision and your values. It could be creating your first content series, building an email list, or publishing consistently for 30 days. Small goals build momentum. And 4th, identify one belief holding you back. Is it fear of visibility, of confidence, or impatience? Challenge it, and then replace it with a belief that supports growth and action. Now, if you're a beginner, recognize that encouragement matters. You do not need to know everything to begin. You do not need perfect branding or advanced tools. Vision grows through action and not through waiting. So take the first step. Affiliate marketing is not just about commissions. It's about connection, contribution, and consistency. A business built with purpose outlasts all trends and algorithms. And as you move forward, remember this. Vision gives meaning to effort. Purpose turns persistence into progress. And when your goals reflect who you are and how you want to serve, your affiliate business becomes more than income. It becomes impact. So stay focused, stay aligned, and build with intention. Your vision matters, and your business can grow from it. I'm Richard Fontanie, signing off for now. See you next Friday, if not before. Bye now.